Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Apps Academy. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can unfavorite items on Etsy. Keep watching the video till the end. To unfavorite your items on Etsy, firstly go ahead and launch open your Etsy application. You will end up on the home page of Etsy's account. From the home page, tap on You option at the bottom of the page. On the next page, click on Favorites option. Tap on Items. Now to unfavorite items on Etsy, tap on the product that you'd like to unfavorite. Click on Heart icon at the top right corner of the screen. This is how you can unfavorite items on Etsy quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.